Alright, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another video. Today we are talking about Doordash's new pay model, hiding tips, why I am standing with the Para app, and why I just don't agree with what Doordash is doing right now. And I think that, especially if this is true, I'm not absolutely sure if it's true because I don't know exactly how their algorithm works, but I do think that the whole promoting the top dasher status thing is a gigantic scam. And here's the thing, if they were transparent about their orders, and if they were completely transparent about their orders and they were telling everyone how much all of the orders are paying and not hiding good orders from people, I think that would be okay, But they're hiding orders from people, like they're hiding the full tip amount, so you're never going to know if you're going to get a really, really good order. Then they're trying to get people to take their $3 orders, which is BS in my opinion. And that's why I enjoy the Para app, and you can click on the link down below and get the Para text messages where you will get full tip transparency and get text messages with all of your orders, and it'll tell you exactly how much you're going to make. I enjoy that quite a bit, and because I just don't like how they're hiding stuff from people, I try to relate it back to as if I was, because I own a circus company, so let's say I wanted my acrobats to, I started rewarding, okay, if I was to reward my acrobats by giving them their pay after we booked a really good show, okay, the going rate for an acrobat is, I would say, on a good paying show, what's standard is about $200 a day. If you're doing more than 2 acts or more than 1 act a day, you usually get paid $250 to $300 a day. So if I was to tell all my acrobats, hey, I'm only gonna, I need you guys to take all these shows where I'm only paying $100, which in turn, I think every order should be a minimum of $6 or $7. If I was to pay all of my acrobats $80 to $100, and I say, hey, whoever keeps taking these $80 to $100 shows, eventually I'm going to give you guys a show where you actually make good money, every once in a while, in a blue moon. I won't tell you when it is, but I will pay you a $500 day one time, but you're not going to know when it is. You're just going to have to keep taking these $80 to $100 orders, or $80 to $100 shows, and then one day I'll give you guys that pay. But I won't tell you when, because you won't know. That's a problem to me, because what happens if I just decide, they didn't do a good job, they don't know that I was making extra money on that one, I'm just not gonna pay them, That's the way I try to relate it, and I always try to put myself in the company's shoes and see how I would run something. I just disagree. I wouldn't do it that way, and I don't think that this is the smart way to go, and I just don't enjoy the idea that they're trying to they're trying to encourage people to take $3 orders. Dude, no one should take a $3 order. You have to take it in consideration, wear and tear on your car. You are risking crashing. That's just a fact. Some people may say, oh, well, no one would crash. If you're a good driver, you're not going to crash. You're risking yourself. You operating by your own business. You got to pay taxes on this money. There's so many things that come into consideration, and after you look at the big picture of all of it, it doesn't make any sense to take anything less than a $7 order, unless it's completely on the direction that you're going. That's just why I always am promoting casual dashing, just doing it as you're going. Right now, I'm sitting in Walmart, I'm filming a video, I'm waiting for a dash to come in. I'm probably not going to get one because I'm only trying to drive across the street back to the Grand Sierra Resort. So check this out. That's the hotel that I'm performing at. Bam! That's the GSR right there. I just went shopping at Walmart, got a few things. Anyways, so what I'm trying to get at is I just don't like what they're doing, and that's why I'm promoting this Para app. Again, some people I don't think anyone's going to get deactivated, otherwise I would not promote the app. We had lawyers look into it. There's not really any way for Doordash to track who's using the text message service. So, to the best of my knowledge, you're not going to get deactivated. But take everything I say with a grain of salt and operate at your own risk. If you are a full-time dasher, I'd probably not do it then, you know? Like, personally, I'm doing it because I like to cherry pick, and I've been pretty open about that. Like, I sit around all day long and I'm logged in and I wait till I get a really good order and then I'll go out and dash or something, you know? So at least I get my dash started with something good. I am not a full-time dasher. I've been very transparent about that. I barely make like $100 to $200 a week, sometimes even less, you know? Like, I barely dash anymore. So for people who are doing it full-time and like this is your only source of income, if this is your only source of income, I wouldn't risk it. I'll just be honest, you know? So, but if you guys are watching my YouTube channel, I'm always trying to tell you guys, like, yo, you need multiple sources of income. I personally have like 6 to 8 different streams of income. It's like, there's so many different ways that I make money, and you guys should always look out for other ways to make money, especially if you can form any kind of passive income. I've done videos on it before. Passive income is like freedom. Like, the more passive income you have, the more free you can be. The more free you can be. That should be a saying. Anyway, so that being said, I'm just giving you guys my opinions and stuff. Some people like my opinions. A lot of people don't like my opinions. I'm just throwing it out there, trying to help you guys out. Give out as much free information as I possibly can. So take everything I say with a grain of salt. I'm never going to say that I'm right. It's just my opinion. And that's all I got to say. So, anyways, that being said, I will see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching. Peace. Oh, wait, one more time. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you smash that like button for me. Just help me out real quick. And also go to offaxisacrobatics.com. That's my footwear company. Use Offaxis Tanner for 30% off. And just click on that Para link down below. If you guys decide that you do want to download it, it's free. If you guys don't want to download it, don't do it. So, just do everything at your own risk. I think that we are possibly violating some terms of service, so I don't know. Anyways, peace, guys.